Welcome to this video. So here we are going to see how to solve the programming assignment week 12 of the joy of computing using Python. So first problem statement, they have given three predefined function. Using those predefined function, you want to try to solve this problem. So let us discuss about the problem statement. So So first user defined function is used to find this mean. Actually, mean you will have a collection of data. So if you want to subtract that value with it of the mean, you can go with this first function f of h, f of p. So whatever may be the function f. And if you want to deal with the square root, for that you can move on with the third user defined function h. And if you want to multiply this one, multiply a two list, so in that case you can use g function that is used to multiply two list contents. So you will have two arguments. Arguments consist of list, so two list, two argument as a list. So each and every element will be multiplied correspondingly. So for that you can go with g. So using these function you have to try to solve it. So if you try to solve it, you will get the answer correctly. So let's move on to the next one. So here they have given a small problem statement where you want to check whether the threshold value is less than or equal to that of the given threshold. So if you have any temperature less than or equal to given threshold, then you have to return true, or else you want to return false. See here. So here you can use the hint as, so they have given equation. So for in this equation you want to list out the xy values such that both the xy value can take only integer. So and they have given the lower limit and upper limit. So find out those list of values temperature. Then you can take one argument, no, t. So you want to check whether you are having any values less than or equal to this threshold. So if you have any value less than or equal to this threshold, you can return true, or else you can return false. So next problem statement, it's a direct formula. So they have asked you to solve the standard deviation. So they are asking you to do with list comprehension. So if you use the list comprehension, probably it may take one line of code. So just if you try to solve the problem statement one, programming assignment one, then if you come here, it will be very easy. Directly the each and individually minus mean, and you want to find the square divided by the number of elements, len of number of elements, n minus 1, since it starts from 0. Okay, so very simple assignment. So it may take half an hour to 1 hour to solve this problem. So thank you.